Grandmother always said, golf is like a walk in the park, spoiled by a little white ball. We haven't seen each other for almost 10 years, but some things never change. It's not about how the game is played, but who you play it with and what you get out of that walk in the park.
He's a fucking judge. Hope you fucking judge that.
As much as I don't want to care that I fucking shot up, I still do. This is where the teammate comes in.
Well, no. This is like Michael put like all that shit or something in there. Is that what is it, Keith? I saw
This is my 14th ball. We all went to high school together, and some things truly never change. Our golf game still sucks, and we have a good time no matter what. Zack had a video go viral our junior year called Guy Drinks His Own Piss, when he actually drank a 20-ounce bottle full of his own piss. If you know someone that might get a kick out of this, share it with them. And I gotta tell you, these guys aren't acting. They're this way every single day.